Take a ride in the 2011 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.